slide and keeps falling. No smiles, beauty hidden for protection, until trampled by shuffling feet. Until a new season arrives and brings joy in times of desperation, seeking to be noticed. And all I want is to be trimmed of these thorns that seem more inviting to the poor. Unfortunate reflection of my selfish existence. Can it be? It was all so simplistic. Sipping on my sorrow while it's washing it away. Trying to add color to these shades of gray, and trying to make sense out of all this confusion. Embrace my reality and unmask illusions. Holograms, I advance on a quest with many questions. Distracted for a second, but I know that I'm destined. Counting my blessings renewed every day, and I know I'd never grow without these shades of gray. Chop a man off a cliff, lost in thoughts, analyze life to find what's real and what's not. Forgotten faces, flashing through my conscience. A conquest for freedom, constant forward motion. Leaving Egypt past the race from attachment. To start from scratch with the bricks that establish my true identity. Secrets are most deeper than known. I'm keeping it close to my heart, written on stone tablets. Alone in my magic, advice projected, correcting bad habits. Laughing as I drown in mystical tears. Mind consumed with thoughts that my physical fears. I can't listen with ears, cause words will deceive. As I stand up against stalker versions of me. Looking over my shoulder, waiting for false moves. Dancing around landmines to get lost in the groove. What happens when all the light slowly fades away? You try to see God inside a shade of gray. He's ever present through my mistakes, flaws and falling. He could've left me falling, but instead he called me and I answer, silent and unsure what to say. Just thanking him for life, even with the shades of gray. Unpredictable, no limits or restrictions. It's filled with opportunities, filled with addictions. So much joy yet so much affliction. Pain and oppression, shame and conviction. So much we see yet so much we're missing. So much to changing, so much we're fixing. Faith and forgiveness, chaos, destruction. Poverty, paychecks, starving children, corporate lunches. Love, peace, war, hate and hunger. Fall, winter, spring, summer, sunshine and thunder. I'm going under, now I'm rising. How much time is left? There's no rewinding. Sometimes even the light can be blinding. I wash my thoughts in blood to keep my mind clean. I don't have everything I want, I've always had everything I needed. Everything hasn't always went how I planned it, but I wouldn't change who I am, even if you offered me a mansion. Just existing is enough, just living. I'll do my best to make the right decisions. Until the day heaven takes me away, I'ma make the most of life, even with the shades of gray.